For this Niger, every day na beto. We dey hustle, we dey yarn, we dey sweat oh. Inside shop, we go gist, we go vex oh. But we go still laugh, forget the stress oh. For this Niger, everybody get their own matter.
Oh yeah, my money.
See, like those dragging me about. See how you are just disgracing me because of 300 naira. I will give your money now. It's not 300 naira. See, wait. Don't worry. I will double it for you. See, my ticket will be one. Just one. I'll double it now. See, in fact, I will pay advertise money. That's how I roll now.
That's 10,000.
That's 5,600.
Are you mad?
Mama Silva.
Kenny?
I will pay advertise money.
Kenny? Kilo shele, Mama Silva, kilo shele.
Joseph Smith, Messi. Messi is just.
You want more?
Eh? Please now, leave my friend alone.
If you want me to leave your friend alone, I've already told him. If he wants to pay your debt too, that is 10,000 naira.
That's 5,600.
What? He be poli baba.
Double the money now.
Sorry, Mama, I boots, yes.
See, I'm fasting.
Pastor, you're about to win 150,000.
Oh, one fair for me 600. So have you seen that this your friend is a madman?
Pastor, you too. You more now.
10,000. In fact, I've changed my mind. I've changed my mind. 10,800 naira. Because that's charges money. Charges money.
Mama Silva.
Oh, charges one bill.
Becho.
Charges.
Take the 10,000 naira
10,200.
now. See,
10,000.
10,200.
Let's do it like that.
10,200.
Okay,
10,200. I will stay. You will win this game. I will give me my 10,200 immediately.
Mama Silva is fasting. Leave his school.
Hey, become there. Yeah, they go. Carry on, they go.
How much is 600?
Pastor.
It's not for 600. I
want to
Give
kill
me
you.
10,200, pastor. Let's go.
Mama Silva, you like money, oh?
See, this one that she came here today, tell her not to come again tomorrow.
You work on the one.
How?
Yeah, the one that's bringing her
Pastor,
here.
are you still talking?
No.
Oh, yeah, go. Our little angel, you can go.
Better.
You call this one little India. Voila. Little India.
My sister.
Una don't come back.
Yes, so. They have already promised to give me my money. And if they don't give me, what am I really waiting?
Okay, you mean that you have not collected your money? Never collect your
He
money.
say he want me game, do Amy, 10,000 too. But shall I want for me?
5,600.
You say you miss it.
10,200.
So you mean say you not collect your money for pasta? Yeah, that's how go.
Give me my ticket first now.
Damn you.
They use my picking I look me.
Pastor,
They are me for no be
Ariana. Oh. Yeah.
That is obe.
That
is soup. Stew. No, soup ni o.
Soup.
Bokoto everything ma wanu.
Because of 300.
Shut up! 300.
Pastor.
Are giving me 10,000.
Pastor.
Oh, Wale.
For the first time for your life.
Wow. Hey.
Congratulations.
Pastor.
Me, I go calculate my own percentage.
Which percentage?
No, my own 2 weekend. I collect like 14%. So,
Lagos State. Now 5% they won't collect. Now yeah.
Are you so?
Are you serious?
you should just take collect.
Yes,
How
no.
many if you collect money?
No, Lagos State government now is saying that they will collect 5% of all betting winning. That happens in Lagos State. Yes, no. 5% of yes, no.
I know. So you mean that like I don't understand this thing here. Like
See, they can explain it for me. Everybody that's playing bets now, me that am playing me by, we will come here and give you our bet that want to collect our money. You will deduct your money from us. That's the 5% government wants to.
It's not a money.
I don't understand.
okay, so no, okay, they not go. I know they go deduct them from me.
No,
they deduct them from you.
Oshe, well, you are taking it from us.
Oh.
Yeah, they will deduct it from you. So that.
Okay, so me I go to collect the money from Una.
Yeah. Why? But one thing, no, I try to pay me. Don't take my money. You can take your money from pastor.
You guys say. See, the memo I read simply says that 5% on all winnings will be deducted automatically.
Maybe it's only for
means,
bet.
yes, now.
They will not collect from my own agbo abi.
5% of 10,200 is what?
Why you are? No, wait. Why you at?
Percent of 10,200.
And why you dey ask? You won't collect them?
No.
See, so this is a great from the company. But wait,
Hey.
to be only all this big betting company because all these small okay, should they go collect for much people they do Baba Jebuni.
Why not?
Baba Jebo have app now, John.
Let betting side.
They will take it from there. The only people that will escape now are those ones that are playing Ludo on street.
Okay, so if they play IO, now if they tax the one where they automated and they no tax the
No,
one.
they can take that from you people, but for me, I know myself. Carpenter.
Now every day government go use
Only Lagos,
man.
only Lagos.
But wait to Pastor. How would you know I'm from Lagos?
I don't know.
It's true.
You decide though.
That is it.
I don't know.
How they go know? But like I feel like all these tech people they go
no,
sabi.
they can't-
My own say whether they come out 5% or not. My 10,200 could do that day.
10,150.
Oh, seriously? Pastor.
Yeah, see, if I know say your body today hot.
Pastor.
I don't tell you say your body today. If you dey come this my shop, I beg, maybe they come.
Oh, maybe they cheat.
You won't make customer come here, they hear all business, no
Pastor,
enter
please, can you sit down? Your anger is always making me scared. So, but I said it to.
You are still paying your debt.
You are-
You are doing.
Don't tell me that too. Don't tell me that too. I still have a lot of things to sell.
I beg.
Tell her not to come here again. Tell her not to come here
You
again.
go use body.
I should not come here again.
Yes.
See, tó bá ti wá big pori baba baba yín dá. Let me see you in my shop. Shebi, you know how to drink pokuri every day.
So we are taking you away from here. Does that mean you should chase us away from there?
Oh, really? So there's a place I can get to, but there's a place you can't get to.
Yeah, it's last paper. That day, Pastor, that for come you pay her the money. Oh yeah.
If you not even pay me, you don't stop say you no go pay me. Hey.
You go do.
My,
Go happen.
you know me now. You know me say I know they play with my money. You see that 15 naira? It is very important. If not, the next time you come to my shop, I will mix Ipo and sniper for you. You will drink it and you will go.
Because of emergency, you know you have that boy that drank Ipo.
I beg.
Gen Z, oh.
Who drink IPO again?
Easy, boy, because he went on live and he saw his girlfriend kissing somebody on live. We don't more out there. Oh, no, sorry, on live.
My own question is did he buy?
No, it's not that rule.
What about the come and go already?
Somebody saw him now,
Hey.
and they're up in there.
Ipo answer bitter.
Ipo, man, so pastor, this Ipo.
But what is wrong with these Gen Zs of nowadays? Like, what is wrong with them? Tell me, what is their problem? What do they feel? Like, how do they feel when they do things that they will not think about their parents, their mothers?
You know some people they fragile. Some people they fragile.
Fragile, Babu.
You know they do fragile.
So, man, if that boy was to be my son, you know what I would do to him?
Hey.
What I would do to him, one of those balls that he's having there, I will take one away. He's a very stupid boy.
Give me the ball or something explain.
Look at her, she's here. Do you know what she will mix for the boy?
Amy, how many things? Not me be this. Shebore. Shebore. You see this one? Monkey tail. You see this one? 7 rounder. Now he pastor the drink.
Pastor.
He knows the mix.
Why is he pastor the
Must drag me into this. Must drag me into this.
Pastor.
Drink now.
I shouldn't too.
You see the leave
Is your wife aware?
Oh,
What's the
my
business?
dear. He doesn't use it for his wife, He uses it for one hand in their seat.
Let her to come here again.
They are young.
If that auntie should pass me like this, I never mommy know you. Why? Because that's what finished her.
Oh, Pastor.
My sister.
Pastor.
At least not my church member now. And I'm an adult. I'm an adult.
I like how they always they come cast now for yeah.
I said a cup of
You not come here again, though.
I said a cup of this sweet for 15 naira. You know how much pastor used to
For this
drink?
economy.
You know how much pastor used to drink? This one, now the 4 of them, they drink.
Hey.
Everything, pew. It is easy for
You are sleeping fight, it's okay, Jare. You must say it in front of anybody.
Use it for me, my sister. Am I lying?
You are sleeping. Now, you know, everything I'm telling you is just a play. Stop it,
It's play.
It's just a play.
It's play.
Eh.
It's play.
Sam, I can now. I'm a born. You must also for me. I don't trust you.
If Kudira has come here, I say I go tell her.
If you want tell her coming.
I just hope Mayor doesn't hear anything about this sitting. Who?
Mayor.
He go yam now. I know go yam. Go yam apa. All these children of nowadays 7. Now so they talk to one girl for Delta. Abi 170-year-old girl. Say she come plan with her friends. They go hotel. They come call her parents. Say they kidnap her. They come collect 500K from the girl mama.
Wait, and the mama said no.
That one is baby kidnapper.
They call you say when you say 500. 1,000 naira ransom and you sent it.
You know, say economy, though. Economy.
Oh, no. Maybe they are doing bonanza. But they are on discount.
They are promo.
When BAM did, I'm collecting 10 million, 20 million, 50, 100, on back.
Hey, man, no, in this
Why
way,
discount?
some people, they get their financial capability. Now, so they say the girl, she call, maybe I don't even know, but they play. I feel like this thing fit start as prank. You know, they don't know say the thing go far like that. So police don't carry all of them like this.
Very good.
Don't carry all of them.
That man, if she reach house, if I pay the money, if she reach house, the same way you came is the same way you are going. Yes.
I see, I was
Mano.
But my own, the way children nowadays are so like focused on this money thing.
This
Me, which I sabi for 17 years.
the army.
What is you want?
At that age, I was busy learning how to mix the mixing of the mixers. Hey, mix that's 17. What? Mixology school. I
Because I feel like equally children, if they are in school or maybe they have handwork that they are doing, they won't have time to.
You are very right, so she's very right.
The kiniko is devil's handwork.
Mind that is open, guys. I say I do mind. I do mind.
Go to school. Agba on a shop we are locked. She will go and meet our guy. They will start making head there.
That's how it's
What is this?
How be you as a 17-year-old? You think that you want to start framing kidnapping?
We are got those son and choir. Maybe they are just playing around.
In this life, I'm to try rubbish. Any time that help me, I do rubbish. And we send her back.
This one you are turning your rapper like this. Are you trying to bring out juju? Because everything about you is quarrel.
Pastor. Alva.
Because of 5,600.
You say?
10,200.
Pastor Fun now, what is wrong with you? You are a Tanzania.
I dey come, my baby.
One.
She will give you now.
You are hard now. You are still far.
My account number 7334848362.
You don't go. I don't send them. I don't send
You
them.
still won't confirm?
Yasifa.
How you transform 300 naira into 10,200?
They know they use money play, huh? Everyone, Pastor. My number one customer.
That's okay.
Let me do your clothes for you.
Shorobini. When there's money, there's love. Oh, there's something good that's coming out.
That's okay.
I just learned one new agbo today. My boy mix it with 7 rounder. Tono. Banga.
You understand?
No, I will give you Tara.
Pastor. Don't forget to, he's my friend though. Mama go. Pẹ̀lú pọ̀mọ́.
Pastor. Don't worry, I have more for you.
You will do fish for me too. I'm coming you. He's my friend though.
Sister,
Take
take care. Don't worry, I'll come and see you another day. So bring special for you. Pastor. Hey,
That's okay.
I wish I could send this in. No. How far now?
Asifa, you be going now. O ti dolówó dé nsìn náà kì í dákì o.
Later, you decide where to pay.
Pastor, can you gbọ́ bí share now? Show me I'm not a good friend.
Where's my money? I didn't send my balance.
Me, I don't do my own percentage.
Shorole. Don't cut our money.
My phone is
Don't
not
touch our money.
I don't say, go if you wish.
I'm charging in church.
If you reach church, you go see the alert. I don't send you your money.
Pastor, me I know that Amaka cannot lie for us. See, that money will be there. Pastor, Oma one there.
I don't.
Let's get going. It's going now.
Video. Let her lose my video.
My friend is a winner. I'm a winner. Pokrion. Pastor.
By the time I come back,
Hey.
my money.
My friend is a winner. I'm a winner.
Oh, everybody.
Yeah, o ti jẹ́ kó rí mi yí. O ti gbé mi débẹ̀.
For this Naija, we go still dey beg for better wahala.